Got a new phone number? Let's update it on Instagram so you never lose access to your account. First, launch your Instagram app, navigate to your profile page, then click on three bars given at the top right corner. You'll be directed to Settings and Activity page. Now navigate to the option Account Center. Click on the option Personal Details. Now click on the option Contact Info. Here you will be able to find the email address and phone number that is linked with your account. In order to change the number, you will need to click on your phone number first, then click on the option Delete Number. Then click on the option Add New Contact and select Add Mobile Number. Go ahead and type in the new number that you want to set for your Instagram account. Once you type in that, click on Next. From this list, select your country code and you will be directed to this page. Now you will be receiving code in your phone number that you have just entered. So go ahead and check the text messages in the number that you have entered. Once you get the code, you will need to type in over here and confirm it. With that, your new number will be updated on Instagram. So this way you are able to change phone number on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.